Hi children, today we are going to learn about matching. It says that we have to draw a line from the picture on the left to the matching picture on the right. Now what does that mean? That means that on the right side we got some objects. Similarly on the left side also we got some objects, right? And we have to match the similar objects. What does that mean? Let me give you an example. For example, here you can see that this is basically 10-gram puzzle having the shape of a house, right? Now, this house is matched with the similar house on the right side. That means you first of all have to look at which object you have to match, and then you have to find out the matching picture or the matching object on the opposite side. Let's start from the right side. Here you can see that this is your 10-gram puzzle. Right now, you have to find out the similar or the matching picture on the left side. So let's start finding out. On the left side, is this a 10-gram puzzle? No, this is a duckling. Is this a 10-gram puzzle? No, this is a house. Is this a 10-gram puzzle? This is a baseball. Is this a 10-gram puzzle? Yes, this is a 10-gram puzzle. And you can see very clearly that this object and this object both are similar, both match with each other. So what you have to do, you have to stretch the line from this 10-gram puzzle and you have to keep moving down until you reach the 10-gram puzzle on the opposite side or on the left side. So congratulations, kiddos. We are done with our first object, and let's see what is the second object on the right side. Here we can see that here we have a horse. That means on the opposite side or on the left side, we have to find out the similar horse so that we can match these two objects. So let's start finding with me. On the left side, is this a horse? No, this is a duckling. Is this a horse? No, this is a house. Is this a horse? No, this is a baseball. Is this a horse? No, this is a 10-gram puzzle. Is this a horse? Yes, this is a horse. And we can see very clearly that this horse and this horse, they are similar. They match with each other. That means we can extend the line from the horse on the right side and keep moving towards the horse on the left side. So congratulations, kiddos. We are done with the two objects. Now let's move towards the third object. So our third object is duckling, right? Now we have to find a similar duckling on the left side so that we can match these two objects. So let's start finding on the left side, and we can see very clearly that this duckling is present on the top and it is very easy to find, right? You can see that this duckling and this duckling, they both are similar in shape and also in color. That means we can match this duckling on the right side with the duckling on the left side. So congratulations, kiddos. We are done with more than half of the objects and we are left with very few. Now let's move towards the second object, which is on the right side after duckling. Now after duckling, this object is a drum, right? That means we have to find the drum on the left side. So let's start finding out with me. Is this a drum? No, this is a duckling. Is this a drum? No, this is a house. Is this a drum? No, this is a baseball. Is this a drum? No, this is a 10-gram puzzle. Is this a duckling? No, this is a horse. Is this a drum? Yes, this is a drum. That means we can match this drum with this drum because we can see very clearly that both of these objects, they are similar in shape and also they have the same color. Now let's move towards another object. Now this house is already matched with the similar house on the left side. So it's already done and we don't have to do it again. Now let's move towards the last object, that is the baseball. Now we have to find out the similar baseball on the left side so that we can complete our task. Is this a baseball? No. This is a duckling. Is this a baseball? No. This is a house. Is this a baseball? Yes, this is a baseball. And both have the same shape and the same colors. So what you have to do, you have to extend the line from this particular baseball and keep moving towards the left side to match the two similar objects. So we are done with our this task. I hope that makes sense to you, kiddos. You just have to look at the object on the right side and you have to keep finding that particular object on the left side. Once you have find out the similar object which has the same shape and the same colors, then you could easily match the two same matching pictures on the left side and the right side. Thank you so much, kiddos.